Hey y'all, so it's your girl LaCrystal back again with a mukbang, and this is my first time doing a carb mukbang. I have a spicy chicken sandwich with extra mayo. It don't look so extra though. And I got me I thought I ordered it large, but I guess I didn't. But medium fry, that's good. Darius, what do you have? Even though they can't see you.
I have a 4 for 4.
Talk louder.
I have a 4 for 4. Got French fries, chicken nuggets, and I think a crispy chicken sandwich.
And Micaiah has a BLT, a BLT, fries, and a Sprite. And Darius got a tea for his drink. But in the video, I was like, oh, I ain't want to come to this Wendy's because they're rude. But it was actually nice this time, I must say. I ain't eat out in so long. So we just got finished getting Darius' haircut. And we came from a soccer game. Wendy's is the best.
Exactly.
I like this phone case. This phone case is how I set my camera up, because my phone case folds over and you can actually set your camera up or a phone up inside the case so it can sit up. So that's how I'm able to do this. Delicious. Oh, it fell off.
Yeah, my second favorite restaurant, fast food.
Then what's your, talk louder, Darius.
Wendy's is my second favorite fast food restaurant. What's your first?
Yeah, I ain't have Chick-fil-A in a long time.
Me neither.
I wasn't going to Subway earlier, but after I saw that Wendy's commercial, I wanted Wendy's.
I persuaded you to come here.
Oh, hot. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm going in on this sandwich. It's good.
I'm about to go in mine in a minute.
But I'm loving Darius' haircut. I got tired of doing his hair in the morning, spraying his curls and stuff. Now I'm getting a phone call. She would call when I'm in the middle of a video. So that's going to have to wait. I keep falling. People beside me about to pull out. They're probably gonna think I'm crazy. Is it good, y'all? Y'all mighty quiet.
Yeah. Yep.
So we went live last night. No comment. But thank you to everybody that tuned in. I actually had a good time doing a live Q&A. It was fun. If you want me to do more Q&As on live, write it down in the description. I mean, description. Write it in the comments. That was so good. I feel like I'm gonna get another one. How many barbecue sauces y'all have? One.
Yeah, just one. I got one.
Oh, okay. It's all good. I always eat my fries naked anyway. Hmm?
She was mine.
You already ate your nuggets? Thank you.
You're welcome. I hope you ain't turned down.
Well, I got a little bit of barbecue sauce. Thank you, Bakaya. And dip that in there. Ooh. All right, man. You talking so loud now. I think Wendy's got the best barbecue sauce, and then McDonald's maybe. But McDonald's got the best ranch cups.
I hate their chicken nuggets.
I love McDonald's chicken nuggets. I need to do that chicken nugget contest. When you gotta try to eat 100 nuggets.
Okay.
I think it's I don't know if it's per family or per person.
There's a hot dog one. Oh, if you could eat.
I don't eat hot dogs.
I didn't eat a whole bunch of hot dogs. Yeah, it was, but just was what is. You have to eat what.
I can't stop eating.
Whoever eats the most
Amazing
hot
food goes
dogs
to one place, and y'all know what that place is.
$10,000. If it was to do the 100 chicken nugget thing, I mean, yeah, the 100 chicken nugget.
And this is all natural lemonade,
I wouldn't even.
which I think I said that.
I would not eat anything. Save my appetite. I know pudding got milk candy in it. They were, I mean, they tried to make the video, but. No.
My stomach just made a weird noise. I'm not even hungry anymore. I'll lie. I should have got 2 chicken sandwiches. I could eat 2. Woo. It's all pretty good. Whew, so how was y'all day? Don't everybody speak at once. My night was kind of not so good, but I woke up with a good attitude. Then I got upset again, but now I'm doing better, so I'm not worried about it. Excuse me. So yeah, I'm not upset anymore because the devil tries to steal your joy. And I realized that. And you really got it. They say, what's the saying? Keep your friends close and your family close. No, your enemies closer. No, keep your friends close and your family closer. Because family will stab you in the back. Yes, they will. Family will stab you right in the back. And I'm glad that all I need in my life is my mom and my kids. That's all I need. I'm good.
Gucci.
But anyways, I guess I'll end this. It's over 10 minutes and I don't plan on editing anything. So I shall see y'all in the next video. I hope y'all enjoyed this little mukbang. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell, and add me on IG, y'all. I'm about to stop posting I can't even talk. I'm about to stop posting like new videos and stuff and start just focusing on pictures. I want to still post what I have so people can know I posted a video, but I don't want that to take over my page. But then how else people up there know that I uploaded? So I gotta figure something out. Cause I want my Instagram to grow as well. But excuse me, ooh, I didn't expect that one. But ew, dearest. But yeah, y'all, hope y'all enjoyed this video. And like I said, like, comment, subscribe. If you're new, go ahead and subscribe. What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Let me stop. All right, y'all. See y'all in the next video.